ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾದರಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ 2 ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಬೌವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿಚ್ collocates with rustling is. The right answer is option C, leaves. Next, question number 43, the word which has 2 syllables is. The right answer is option C, father. Question number 44, the children were plucking flowers. The passive form of the above sentence is. The right answer is no, option C. Question number 45, he dash in New Delhi for 3 years. The appropriate sentence form of the verb to be used here is. The right answer is option B, lived. Question number 46, the appropriate prefix to form the opposite of possible is. The right answer is option B. Question number 47, Qutub Minar is a majestic monument. The part of speech of the underlined word is ARN. The right answer is option C, adjective. Question number 48, the meeting was dash due to bad weather. The correct phrasal verb to be used here is. The right answer is option C, put off. Question number 49, Greenland is a larger than any other island in the world. The superlative form of the above sentence is. The right answer is option C. Question number 50, if I had been hungry, I dash eaten something. The correct words to be used here to complete the if clause sentence are. The right answer is option C, would have. Question number 51, Sanjay is coming tomorrow dash. The question tag to be used here is. The answer is not he, option B. Question number 52, we had to wait for dash hour and dash half for the bus. The articles to be used here are. The right answer is option B, an and A. Question number 53, the thieves quarreled dash themselves. The preposition to be used here is. The right answer is option C, among. Question number 54, I bought it dash, I needed it. The conjunction to be used here is. The right answer is option D, because. Question number 55, they have in which he told the story was so dash. The correct form of the word to be used is. The right answer is interesting. Question number 56, in a formal letter yours faithfully is known as. The right answer is option B, subscription. Question number 57, courage is everything, strength and age are not important. This remark was made by. The right answer is Swami's father. Question number 58, as the night advanced, Swami remembered all the stories of. The right answer is option C, devils and ghosts. Question number 59. A frightful preposition Swami thought. The preposition was. The right answer is to sleep alone in the office room. The option B. Question number 60. Roma Talreza was a. The right answer option C, call center executive. Question number 61. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop. There is a hospital there, but Baleshwar disagreed because. The right answer is option B. Number 62. I do not like to have you speak to me in that manner. This was said by. The right answer option D. Question number 63. The Americans offered to pay almost double the amount to Don Anselmo because. The right answer is option C. Question number 64. One day, the Americans came back to the narrator office to complain because. The right answer is option B. Question number 65. They brought about a veritable revolution in social thought. Here, they refers to. The answer is option A. Question number 66. Dr. Ambedkar spent most of his life in. The right answer is option C, reading books. Question number 67. There is no harm in trying it, Smita said to herself. Here, it refers to. The right answer is option A. Question number 68. Pandit ji is a busy man. You must not bother him with such requests. This was said by. The right answer is option B. Question number 69. Why do you take away his source of entertainment? This remark was made by. The right answer is option A. Question number 70. The lesson Colors of Silence gives us the message that. The right answer is option A. Question number 71. The family members of grandma told her that one should grow old. The right answer is option C. Question number 72. When grandma was confined to bed, she felt. The right answer is option B. Question number 73. It droppeth the appropriate option to complete this line of the poem is. The right answer is option C. Question number 74. In the poem, quality of mercy, mightiest in the mightiest refers to. The right answer is option C. Question number 75. In the poem, The Song of India, Motherland wants the poet to sing about. The right answer is option B. Question number 76. Mother India appeared to be sitting on. The right answer is option A. Question number 77. This wrinkled old face so full of worries of living suggests the jazz player was. The right answer is option B. Question number 78. Oh, say that dash. The appropriate option to complete this line of the poem is. The right answer is option A. Question number 79. The mysterious parcel that was brought to Mohan's house contained. The right answer is option B. Question number 80. Hema Aziz politely refused the Indian Army's compensation offer of. The right answer is option C. Petrol pump. Thank you.